everyone, I'm Shweta and welcome to Meals and Moves. Now let me ask you one question. If you're trying to lose weight or trying to stay healthy, what will you focus more on? Workout or diet? I know the natural instinct is hitting the gym. But if you'll not fix this, gym is never going to be enough. So in today's video, I'm going to share a very healthy and delicious green smoothie recipe. Let me first get rid of these and I'll be right back. Alright, so now let's check out what all you need to make this delicious smoothie. So today I'm using 1 cup of frozen fruit mix here. Now there are a lot of varieties available in the market. You can choose whatever mix you like, or you can also use fresh fruits. Now the one I'm using has pineapple, mangoes, papaya and strawberry in it. It's loaded with antioxidants and vitamins. Now I'm also using 1 banana here, which has a lot of fibers. It's really good for your digestive health. I'm using 2/3 cup of spinach. Now spinach is loaded with nutrients. It has a lot of iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and it's really good for everyone and especially pregnant women. I'm using 1/2 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt here. If you do not have Greek yogurt, you can always use regular yogurt. It's just that Greek yogurt has more protein than the regular yogurt. I'm also using 1 scoop of whey protein powder here. It has about 24 grams of protein. So I like to add this protein powder in my diet because I'm a vegetarian. I do not get enough protein. It's completely optional. You can always use it or not use it. Alright, so now all we're going to do is blend everything together. So 1 cup of mixed fruits, 1 banana, 2/3 cup of spinach, yogurt, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt and some protein powder. So I'm using Nutritious here. You can use regular blender. Just blend it and your delicious smoothie is ready. And it's as simple as that. I hope you will make this delicious and simple smoothie at home. Please do share your experience in the comment section and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Cheers! And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.